What you doing, Wes?
We're putting some shocks on the S10, buddy. I'll take it down to Summer Duck on Thursday night.
That's it? Oh.
until he changed the timing.
Oh, okay.
It ran perfectly fine before.
Well, is it running out of gas?
No, I checked. I got
Okay.
Once he changes that, I'll take it, fire it up with the fuel pump off, see if the gauge is dropping. Because it's still setting at 7 times the pressure.
That ain't the right gauge. That's for the nitrogen. Alright, so we brought the truck home, and the third pass, it started falling on his face, like wanting to not run really. So we thought we had a fuel issue. We thought like the fuel filter was plugged or something, or we wasn't getting 6 pounds of fuel pressure, 7 pounds of fuel pressure to the carburetor. So we brought it home, we put a fuel pressure gauge on it. It has 6.5 pounds going to the carburetor, so it's not a fuel issue. And then I turned it on when we got home, like fired the truck up. Then it ran for about 10 seconds and it cut off. And then I was like confused because it didn't have no power going to anything. So I put the battery charger on it. Went in there and flipped everything on, everything turned back on, truck fired up, and it wasn't really like wanting to stay running. So I left the battery charger on it for a while, then I came back out here like an hour later, fired it up, it was running good. So we gotta like trace all the wires back and make sure everything's tight, like the grounds and all the cables are tight, because we think that we have a problem. We're not getting 12 volts the whole time while it's running. So, but we'll hope to have it out next week. So we're gonna try to fix it this week. See you on the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.